What's up, everybody? It is a glorious winter day. The sun came out. I'm smiling. Life is good. But I want to tell you about one really pernicious, nasty thing that I see on floor mats all the time, and that is road salt. And we're using a product for urine. What is that all about? I'm gonna tell you the best way to get salt out of floor mats using urine neutralizer. Now come on with me right now. I'm gonna show you something. Let's take a look. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Look at this nastiness. You ever tried steaming this away, and when it dries, it's just a hazy wick back of nastiness? I can just feel how I can't even move my fingers through that, okay? So I don't know if this is gonna come out. I sure hope it will. There's years of nasty salt buildup in the driver's side of this Audi. Now, why are we using a product called urine neutralizer from Bridgepoint Systems? Well, if you know anything about my channel, I love the carpet cleaning world. Let's look at the pH there, 3 RTU pH. That's very acidic, very, very acidic. Of course, the pH scale goes all the way up to 14. 14 is alkaline. Salt, when it dries, becomes very alkaline according to everything that I've heard. What we want to first do is spray this down with urine neutralizer to basically neutralize the acidic or the alkaline salt, and then let it dwell, and we'll go from there. Just by brushing and vacuuming, we've done a lot so far. Now it's time to spray my urine neutralizer, and you really want this to go to work for you. So I'm pretty sure when I talked to the guys in the shop, they said to spray this in very generously, let it soak up in there, and then essentially let it sit there for like 30 minutes. There's my nasty salt there. We're gonna make sure this product has a chance to neutralize all of that crusty salt that's sitting in the carpets. All right, just agitated some of this. It's real foamy. Now we just want to extract it. Just with hot water. Oh yeah, I don't even feel it, but I want to keep going until the foam is gone. So I'm going to do the rest of these carpets, and then I'm going to shampoo like I normally would. Alright guys, the heat has been running in this vehicle. Now remember, with carpets, you cannot improve the integrity of the fabric. What we can do is remove soil. So right here, who knows what kind of damage was done from that salt eating into that carpet for so long. But I can tell you that some of these are just, you know, patterns of the way the fabric is lined. But when you compare this, I think this Audi is at least 5 years old. I mean, I don't think the salt's ever been removed. You look at it from right here, and you compare that to what it was before, I think we made a dramatic improvement. You know, again, the integrity of this fiber, I can't change it, right? Certain areas get way more traffic. Obviously that area with the salt, who knows what that was doing to just really compromise the integrity of the fabric. But as far as like what this looks like, I think we did a pretty good job. What do you guys think? Let me know.